Hi, my name is John Kelly. I'm the General Manager here at America's Home Place in the Anderson, South Carolina office. I have been with America's Home Place since 2006. I started in Fredericksburg, Virginia, and worked there about 8 years and took a little time off to be with family and have recently come back to the Anderson, South Carolina office, and I've been here about a year. I have stayed with America's Home Place and decided to come back to America's Home Place for so long because I love the culture here. I love what we do for our customers, for our clients. We take what we have as house plans and turn them into homes individually for each customer. They have a vision, they have a dream, our culture is to match that up for them. I feel it's very conducive for what we do as a company and what they want as a customer. With any or every customer that comes through, I will meet them, greet them, I will help them through any questions they have in the sales process, the design process, choosing colors and styles for their new home. If they need supplies from the store, I'll run and get those too.